Good day, everybody. It's perDrA back in the garden and having a ball, of course, and wanted to share my joy with you. You know, we talk a lot about summer phlox, and I love summer phlox. I probably have 4 or 5, and I want 4 or 5 more different kinds. The thing about phlox is you can get tall. I mean, I have one called Delta Snow, which is probably 4 feet tall. And here's one called Kapow, K-A-P-O-W. Kapow, and this is Kapow Purple. It's in my garden. This is its 2nd year. It is bred to be short. So what's this? Maybe 18 inches, perhaps 2 feet. And notice the other thing, though, that really is important with phlox. It's clean. You don't see any fungus or bacteria, or heck, I don't even see any bug holes. So I love it. I love my phlox. They're fragrant. I stick my nose in it and get a little waft of it. It's not going to fill the garden, but I love the summer phlox. And here's but one of many you can try, Kapow, and have a ball. Just keep telling people the name. They'll look at you like you're weird, and of course you are, because you're watching this. Come join me anytime. Beautiful Athens, Georgia. Let's get some phlox. Let's get some plants. Hey, let's just have fun. All the best.